Just walking around Back Bay. Seems like in the summer it'd be really nice to just walk on the sidewalks around here. At least it's not a ton of police sirens and people honking their horns. I mean, there is occasional honking, but less businesses, more just residences. You can see the city in the far. Little parks here and there. I stopped down here because I thought that there was a mall, like Back Bay Mall or something, but I was looking around in the spot that I thought it was in. It's like an office building, so. There's this place in the corner, it's an Irish pub. It's kind of conveniently located. If I just head straight down here, that's the T stop for the Back Bay, and then I could head back. We're just looking somewhere to go to eat. Something quiet, I don't know. From here you can see the rest of the city. Yeah, and there's a T. Maybe I can get here from the other side. Oh, commuter rail. Yep. Orange line all through. There it is. Alright. Guess there are restrooms. Senior and disability passes. Oh, cool, I have one. Where am I going?
So you're a 65-year-old, 65-year-old middle-aged white man that identifies as an 18-year-old black man.
The next.
Too far. Alright, so after the green street, just across the street, and just head straight up this road, keep going, and that's what the Sullivan House is. I gotta go here in about an hour or so. I'll be back. I just gotta get something to eat and something. Hey. Yeah. And that's the police station. The We still haven't removed these huge piles of snow for some reason. Oh, I like your bass. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, pissed him off. Ooh, look at that. This guy with the garbage truck here takes these super wide turns and everyone beeps at him. It's like, yeah, he's doing his job. They aren't. You want to take the trash out? Cool. Alright, so the last intersection across, and we're almost here. Yeah, around here it's a national honk your horn day every day. It's like if you have a horn, beep it, right? Doesn't matter what you're doing. And that's it.